Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to add a fun little tag that appears after your name on Discord that announces that you're a part of a specific server or game community, or just community in general, because pretty much anybody can set these up now if they have 5 boosts or more on their Discord server. So what am I talking about? Well, if you go into your user settings and then you go to profile, down here you will find server tags. So server tags represent a server that, like I said, has a certain number of boosts that allow them to set up their very own tag. They were originally supposed to be guild tags, but like nobody used them or qualified to use them, and Discord, I guess, wanted to make money off them, so now they're a part of the Nitro boost system. So here's all the different servers that I'm a part of, and I've got a bunch of them in here that I can click on to rep the different groups that I'm a part of, like Rhythmbot or Inzoi or Helldivers. And when I select them, it'll display this little emoji skull with Seif on it, and if I hit save, now when I exit, my name shows Larry Chupacabra with the hot dog, and now there's the Seif icon, and then if you click that, because Helldivers is a public server for a video game, when you click on this, everyone will be able to see what server this is a part of, and then they can join from my little guild tag thing. If it's a private server, because you can boost private servers, it'll just say, I don't know who this is, it's a private server. So it's completely dependent upon what your settings are as somebody setting it up. And if you want to set this up yourself, I don't actually have enough boosts for this, but if you go into not your user settings, but your server settings, and then it's down under the Nitro boost perks, where you can set up a, well, first you can get a custom invite link. But inside of here somewhere, here it is, server tag. You can unlock it with boosting, and then you can pick a badge. They've got some pre-selected badges for you to pick from. You can pick a color, and then you can also change the name up here at the top. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. But you can change that anytime in your user settings under profiles. A lot of servers, when they first set it up and you're there, will have a little pop-up that appears in the corner. It's like, hey, we have a tag. You should totally use it. The problem is you can only have one at a time for the sake of not cluttering up the screen. But you can change this at any time to be whatever you want. I was previously repping the abiotic factor people, which I thought was in here somewhere. Here it is, deep field. The abiotic factor people are deep field, and then it stands for abiotic factor. And that was fun. I like that game a lot. So you can save that. And that's it. You can change these whenever you want, really. They're pretty easy to do. And then they appear right next to your name. If you can't get tired of them, same thing. Just go back to your profile, and then you can hit the exit or the little X button to X out of having a tag active, and then just go back to being plain Jane. So anyway, that's it for that one, ladies and gentlemen. This has been how to activate a tag on your name/profile. I hope you found that helpful. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.